This is a beautiful beet, carrot, and potato salad. We made that last night. Watch. So 3 large or 6 baby red beets, we boiled for 20 minutes. Then you add 2 russet potatoes, these guys, 1 pound of carrots, so you want about 1 pound of each. Beets go first, 20 minutes, then potatoes and carrots, 10 minutes. Then guess what happens? After this boils, 10 more minutes, we put a lid on it, and this sits overnight. Right now, we're going to line a plate with some Bib lettuce or Bib romaine, this beautiful purple lettuce I got from Chef's Garden in Ohio, one of my favorite resources for produce year-round, and one of my favorite gifts to friends, to send them mystery boxes from there. They sell them in small, medium, and large. And we're going to address that salad again. Now, when we started the salad, you remember, you saw, the beets go 20 minutes. Then we add the potatoes and the carrots, and it boils 10 minutes more. Then you let it sit overnight. Look what happens to the beets. All we have to do is wipe it with a bit of towel, and the skins just fall right off, like nothing, like nothing. 0 effort. Where's all the knives? Oh, back up. Okay, so now we just take that and dice our beets. The carrots, all I did was scrub them, you guys. All I did was scrub them. I didn't even peel them. There's lots of nutrients, and these are such fresh, beautiful baby carrots, also from Chef's Garden. There was absolutely no need, these little tiny pieces I'm just gonna leave. There was no need to peel them. So and they're so tiny, I just have them chop right across. Okay, now we're going to add this to our bowl. I've already tossed, move forward, babe. I've already tossed the 2 potatoes, peeled them the same way. Skins just fall right off, like nothing. 20 minutes, then an extra 10, then overnight in the water, covered. And then the next day, you just chop it all up. And guess what I dress them with? I love this. Pickle brine from a pickle jar, or the company that makes our pickles, they actually sell pickle brine in a bottle, just separately. And I use it in salad dressings. It's so great. So a few tablespoons of that, and then a little olive oil. The other ingredient adding lots of protein is chickpeas. So now we have chickpeas, sweet beets, sweet carrots, potatoes, pickle brine from garlic pickles. Yum. How could it possibly get better? Oh, I don't know. Like this. We're gonna add in chopped garlic pickles, chopped red onion, and tons of dill and parsley. The brave, strong people of Ukraine, man, this is a way to salute you. What beautiful food you have. What beautiful food. Oh, look at that salad! Ah! Ta-da!